Kitchen appliance showdown. So last weekend, my mom proudly unveiled her new smart fridge, which apparently syncs with every other device in the house, including the microwave. At first, it was convenient, until the fridge started sending passive-aggressive notifications like leftover lasagna detected, reheating is not recommended. The microwave, feeling challenged, would chime in with, reheat option ready, ignore fridge's opinion? I thought it was cute until they started arguing over whose storage method preserved flavor better, and my leftovers became the battleground. Now, every time I try to warm up food, I have to break up a cold war in the kitchen. Honestly, it's exhausting. My kitchen appliances are so opinionated, they've become real culinary philosophers. I just wanted dinner, but now I'm stuck in a Socratic sauté.